Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to unlock characters in Barbie Dreamhouse Adventure. So if you want to play with more of Barbie's friends, then just follow along. As you complete quests and progress through the game, additional characters will gradually become available, and some character unlock after completing story objective or visiting certain locations, while others may be included with premium content or an active subscription. You need to keep completing daily activities, mini games, and special events to earn rewards and unlock new features. You need to also make sure your game is updated so you don't miss newly added characters during seasonal updates. So that was how to unlock characters in Barbie Dreamhouse Adventures. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.